Typing large amounts of data manually from JPEG image to Excel is a time-consuming and inefficient process. Table Reader is the best solution to solve this main point. In this video, we will show you how to convert JPEG to Excel with Table Reader. Let's get started. Step 1. Take a screenshot of the document for file conversion. Step 2. Go to TableReader.com, drag and drop the JPEG images or click Choose New Files. You can upload 1 to 5 JPEG files for conversion each time and are free to merge or unmerge them. If you want to unmerge all the files together, please make sure that you have ticked Process each image without merging. Otherwise, all files are merged together by default. And kindly be reminded that the maximum file size is 10 MB per file. Step 3. Crop the JPEG image to exactly only the table to limit the processing data. Click Next and wait for 5 to 10 seconds to process the file. Step 4. A preview will be shown to you, and please give a rating to get download links of the result files. What if you're not satisfied with the result? We're open to feedback, and you can give 2 stars to the accuracy and manually construct the lines according to your preference. If you have watched this video and feel that Table Reader is something you need, you can try it at TableReader.com. Table Reader is currently only available as an online version. Still, it is free to use all tools until the end of 2021. I'm sure that you will have a great experience with it.